Hello everyone, welcome to Euron. In this video, I have an amazing announcement for all of you. So we have launched a self-placed course in a generative AI, and that too in a complete practical manner. So let's go and check out this course. So first of all, guys, this course is done by Bakhtiar Ahmed Bapi, who is a very amazing and a talented personality, talented mentor. You will be able to find out. So he has published this particular course, Master Generative AI Professional Level LLM Application Development. So we are going to talk about a complete theory and a practical inside this particular course, and you can go and check out the syllabus part. So we are talking about an architecture of a generative AI application, and then we are talking about a retrieval augmented generation RAG, again in a practical way. We are talking about orchestration framework for application development. We are talking about a LangChain LLM application development. We are talking about a LangChain expression language, entire LangChain ecosystem, and here we are talking about an application development, that how you will be able to utilize all of these technique which you are going to study in this particular course, and then how you are going to apply all of these things in a very practical manner. Not only this, so llama indexes we are talking about, and the amazing thing is LLM ops. This is important, guys, because whenever you will try to productionize any kind of a project, obviously ops is important. And here we are not just talking about a LLM like a LangChain or llama indexes or maybe the architecture, but we are also talking about ops part of it, which is called as LLM ops. And then we are talking about a complete end-to-end generative AI application, multimodal Gen AI application, agent and multi-agent application. So hope all of you are going to enjoy this particular part. We have even covered a CI/CD pipeline for production, which is obviously a part of LLM ops. So hope, guys, all of you are going to enjoy this entire course. Price of this course is $499 only if you have Euron Plus subscription. So as we are trying to create a Netflix of an education, we are trying to create an OTT of an education, where going forward within a year of time, you will be able to find out every kind of a courses from every segment, every genre, every domain. So if you have Euron Plus access, you will be able to access this particular course by default. You don't have to go and buy courses again. So whatever courses is already available and whatever courses we are going to bring. Plus, Bapi is going to start his live class as well. So you can go and check out his live classes. So there are so many live classes we have scheduled, not just this one. So here you can go and check Generative AI Masters live class. He is going to start again. So those who is having a Euron Plus subscription, everything is available to you. No need to pay again and again. Just in 2,999 rupees, you will be able to access each and everything. Means each and everything, as simple as that. Okay, so fine, guys, go and check out this entire things and let me know. Your feedbacks are very much important. Whatever improvement is required, whatever new kind of a module that you are looking for, so please try to give us a feedback at contact@euron.one, and obviously we are going to implement it slowly and gradually. With that, thank you so much everyone. See you in my next video.